Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce Data. And guys, for the June 2021 special free classes, I'm coming with a surprise, interesting series is going to come. Like previously, whatever we have done, we are going to do the same thing. Like NTA Abhyas official mock test we were doing in the last month. From that last month, this month also it is going to continue. But the test is going to conduct in a different pattern and different way. So let me tell you and let me explain about how the sessions and what are their timing and all. In this guys, UGC Net Paper 1 and Paper 2 Commerce, NTA Net, that Abhyas app is there. In that Abhyas app, official mock tests are being uploaded by the National Testing Agency, our examination body itself. There is a high possibility that same question can be picked up in the same question can be repeated, or the concepts from the questions which are appearing in the Abhyas official mock test may come in our exam also. So in order to avoid that missing of those questions also, I'm trying to cover all the Abhyas mock tests as much as possible till the examination. Let us try to do as many questions as possible from the mock test itself. So guys, today onwards, the June month, daily free live sessions are going to start at an Academy free platform. How it is going to happen is that interesting thing. Let me tell you about it. So guys, here you can see, now I'm going to make the NTA official mock test sessions in a more competitive and more interesting way by competition with the students among themselves guys. Like let me tell you, more competitive, how it is going to be a more competitive one. The top 3 on the leaderboard. The leaderboard fight is going to happen like this. You and your friends are going to fight on the leaderboard. The top 3 performers on the leaderboard are treated as a top star performers series or a star performers of the particular session. For each and every session, daily 2 sessions are going to happen. For each and every session, top 3 star performers are going to be chosen, who are coming on the top 3 of the leaderboard in giving a poll. So for this, you need to attend the session on a live only, which is at 5:30 p.m. and evening 10 p.m. daily from today onwards. Today only 5:30 p.m. That is, we are in 5th June, only 5:30 p.m. and tomorrow onwards it will be, sorry, today 4th June, na? So tomorrow onwards it will be 5:30 as well as 10 p.m. it is going to be there. But the top 3 performers, like rank number 1 gold, and rank number 2 red, and rank number 3 brown, like this the positions, and your picture, your name will be appearing over here, and your name will be appearing over here with a red color and a gold and a brown. Now your picture and name, this interface, the total whatever the template is going to be featured in all the social media platforms as well as in Telegram, and the same will be shown in the next live session also. These are the star performers. For every session I will be showing like that. Why I am doing this one? There are 2 objectives in this guys. This is to bring a motivation in yourself, because you need to recognize that you are performing day by day better as compared to the others, just to boost your preparation to some other extent, because till now as the exam date didn't announced, we have already completed a theory, PYQ practice, many things we have done. Now let us test ourselves by comparison with others on the leaderboard. So I will be featuring your pictures with the names in all social media platforms in the next live sessions. Top 3 star performers for every session. Daily 2 sessions are going to be there, like NTA official mock test questions with explanation. I will be doing 20 questions in a 30-minute session at 5:30 p.m. as well as 10 p.m. also. 5:30 to 6 and 10 to 10:30. Only simple 2 free sessions on an Academy free platform. It is going to be there, guys. On an Academy free platform, this session is going to be there. So like 5:30 p.m. leaderboard people will be shown in the 10:30 p.m. in the beginning. Again 10 p.m. session leaderboard, the top 3 persons will be featured throughout the day, and 5:30 p.m. Also will be featured throughout the day. Next day 5:30 p.m. 10 p.m. yesterday will be shown in the 5:30 p.m. session. Again this circular, it will go on till the end of the month. The sessions are going to be like a very many interesting way it is going to be there, right? So let's see who will be coming on the leaderboard. I hope you will like this type of session, because this is not just like other sessions. This is somehow new way I'm trying to put it. I'm trying to boost your preparation to some other extent, guys. For all this, please go through with the link given in the description, or else I will be telling you the steps also how to enroll to it on for free basis. These are free session, no need to pay anything. Just go and click on the single link which I am giving in the Telegram or else in the description of this video. And do not forget to enter the code Shiva Live to unlock the all free live sessions and free recorded sessions also. So final motto is that practice more, reward yourself in these sessions, be competitive towards your aspirants also who are appearing in the same examination, be competitive with your friends and be a future JRF. Let's crack the JRF 2021. Now let us look into the steps how to attend the sessions further. So guys, step number 1. If you look into the step number 1, please go through with the description, and my profile of Unacademy link is available. Just click on that link and you will get this interface. If you are opening in the laptop, this interface will come. If you are opening in the Unacademy Learning app, which is downloaded from the Play Store, it will come in an app. But my profile will be showing like this only. In my profile, you can see one section called as a special class. Before that, if you are a new person and not yet following me now, please do follow me in Unacademy Learning app. After that, go to the special classes. After that, click on See All button. Once you click on See All button now, upcoming sessions like June 4th, today 5:30 p.m. onwards, June 4th, we will be starting this series. Daily 5:30 p.m. and 10 p.m. two sessions are going to be there. You can see Paper 1 NTA official mock test star performer series. That is, you can just click on notify me over here. This is already I clicked on notify me, that is why it is showing like this. And tomorrow, if you look at tomorrow 5:30 p.m. session, click on notify me. Like this, if you can do now, you will be able to access to all the free live session. You will not miss any of the notification. And do join in my Telegram group. If you do this notify me section, you will get a notification before I am going live. Text message will come from the Academy. And you should also join into my Telegram group so that you will get all the updates about free session, plus session, NTA net updates, and PDF of these sessions also will be uploaded into that Telegram channel. Please go through with the description. Telegram link is given. Do join over there, and I wish you should come to each and every session on live only. Attend the live only 30 minutes in a day, daily 60 minutes and 40 questions we are going to do it. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting in the today 5:30 p.m. So with so much excitement, I will be waiting for you in the session at 5:30 p.m. Thank you. Bye to all.